Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to another video. In this video, we will discuss about a penny banking stock which price is less than 30 rupees and have some important update in coming annual general meeting. So watch the full video. Before going to the video, I have a small request. If this content would be informative to you, please click on subscribe button and the like button. It will be a great support for making new videos for you. Let's go to the video. Friends, in this video we will discuss about Central Bank of India. First we can discuss some basic details. Central Bank of India is an Indian government-owned bank which is under the ownership of Ministry of Finance and Government of India. It is one of the oldest and largest government-owned commercial banks in India. The bank offers a wide range of products and services such as savings account, deposits, mutual fund, debit card, credit card, NRI account, etc. And the current market price of the share is 26 rupees. So that's a major attractive point. It was very low price. So should we buy or not? That's a major area of our concern. So let's discuss about that. First we can check the stock returns. In 1 month the stock almost gives 22.71% and in 6 months the stock almost gives a return of 83.66%. From 1 month till 2 year time frame the stock shows very positive numbers, but while we checking the past figures 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 10 year time frame the stock absolutely give very much negative return. So now the business is blowing up or not? Any shareholders of this company, please comment below. Now we can take a look at the latest news related to this stock. I think this news has some importance, so let's discuss about that. In a regulatory filing, the bank authority says that they will seek shareholders' approval in next annual general meeting in next month to set off the accumulated loss of over 18,724 crore from the share premium account of the bank. The next annual general meeting was scheduled on August 10, 2021. The banking authorities have the opinion that they have to present a true and fair value of financial position of the bank by setting off the losses in most practical and economical way. So the AGM have very much importance, and they have the opinion that by setting off the accumulated loss would benefit the shareholders of the bank as their holding will yield a better value. So you have to keep updated and wait for the decisions that occur in that annual general meeting. So wait for that patiently. Now we can take a look at some points to be noted with this banking company. We can discuss about that. While looking at the financial details of the company, we can identify that it's a company with very low debt, and we can see a good growth in the annual net profit for the last 2 years. Stock gained almost 26% growth in 1 month, and the promoters increasing their shareholding in this company. Apart from this, the revenue of the company is decreasing every quarter for the past 2 quarters, and mutual fund decreased their shareholding in the last quarter. The company declared negative result in the last quarter after 3 consecutive positive quarters. So now the stock is in very bullish run. So analyze and study about the stock and make an investment decision and wait for the decision that coming in that AGM. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please click on subscribe button for more updates like this. Thank you all.